Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Crazy. Today guys is I need to go to the town, but yesterday guys I have a problem yesterday because that's because my television is damaged for the lightning that I think 2 weeks last week. So I put the television there in my multi-cab yesterday in a front, so because I need to bring that to fix to my TV. But suddenly guys, that after I do reverse here in my house, and then I'm shocked because that I was reversed, so the television is fall down there and up front too. I was driving, so I'm shocked. So I'm feel nervous. That was I do reverse, so that suddenly is a mirror of my multi-cab is damaged also, and red light also is damaged because I'm stopped that one. That I'm shocked what's happening because the television is fall down that I was drive. So yesterday I went there in Taliban grocery also, but we don't have mirror. I'm looking yesterday for the mirror because I need it. That one the important, because the left side that I was driving, the mirror is break. So I'm looking how many store that yesterday because I need to buy, and I did not find it because it's not the same for the mirror that they sell there. So you can to see guys, because I feel nervous this yesterday that we don't have a mirror, and it's not easy that we don't have a right left mirror that I was driving. So that's why I'm going. I too much time that there in Taliban. I'm looking around. Then we have some lady. She's advised for me that we need to go for something for the glass. Yeah, for the glass. So I'm go there. So they told me that we need to remove the mirror to fix that one to the temp to, and then she said back in tomorrow. So we need to pick. So she told me he cannot to decide is how much the price for the glass of mirror. Yeah, because that one is very small only. So we will see what's going on guys. So I need to go. I'm ready to going there to town guys in San Jose. Look guys, we don't have mirror because it's break. So also the red light, this one is damaged too because I reversed there yesterday because the television is fall down that I was driving in the front. So I'm really I'm scared yesterday, promise to God, but I order fast because the important that the mirror the side there. Yes, not easy to drive that we don't have a mirror. So I need to get there to take it. Because I put the television there in the front, and then after that I was reversed, so he's fall down the television that I was drive. So I'm very scared guys, really. So I buy also the in the front something the red light. So the price is 530. Yes, hopefully we can to fix today. And look at the cover. Yeah, this is the cover. So I need to go guys. I'm driving. Shop. There's a shop that I fixed that the side mirror. So I need to go there.
Di magsilbi, di kabot sa accelerator. Di na sa accelerator. Masuk ko. Sakit. 45.
Kani kay ba mo tao dong?
Na ni mo diha.
Oh, nagpalit ko bag oh. Iko na lang ko bi.
Da dito ba?
Napoy.
Tingnan natin ako ni.
Yeah.
Bos mo buang mo, dah mo dia. Tanya mo. Bawa ni ko. Ay sang ko kuan para sila ka na ba? Jadi betul-betul Pariharan ni kanang kon, pariharan ni sa kanang.
Ito oh, may yellow man ni siya. Ah.
Baylo. Mali wala ko. Di ko na ba? Buat tak? Ito nung ni. Inani itong mo.
So finally, here we are.
Atau kan no, buang kanang ang laway mo na ba? Ano niya mo na mo na? Tapo.
Pila kasagaran patawad ninyo ani dong, glass. Mabayran.
Amo ko na dulu.
Ah.
Kaya ni mo ata sa tubo. Ano mo to? Nawa na sa besa. Ha? Kayo ang bisa.
Hello guys, we are my home. Thank you so much to drive. But it's finished. It's a problem for me that the mirror, I have a new mirror. New mirror, just glass, a new glass, just. Oh, so very hot. Goodness. So finished guys. So look at my mirror. This one is a 250 and this one is 500. The light, this is so nice, is the white. We need to change this one because yellow, but expensive if we need to buy new. 500. So nice. Also we need to change also here. I did not know how much here. The light here, nice white. Nice, we change the white. Yeah. Oh my, look at